The mystery of the rotten egg phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll dive into a fascinating English idiom, rotten egg. This expression is intriguing, and by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations. The phrase is made up of two words. 1. Rotten, which means something that has decayed or is no longer fresh. 2. Egg, a simple word we all know. It's the oval or round object laid by birds, usually eaten as food. Now, if you combine them, you might imagine an egg that has gone bad. But the meaning goes beyond the literal interpretation. When someone refers to a rotten egg in an idiomatic sense, they're not talking about breakfast. The phrase can have two main interpretations. 1. The slow one or the last one. Often in the context of children racing or running, the last one might be playfully teased as the rotten egg. It's like saying, "Last one, there is a rotten egg." 2. Someone mischievous or untrustworthy. If someone is referred to as a rotten egg, it could mean that the person is not very reliable or is prone to causing trouble. To get a better grasp, let's see some examples. 1. Hurry up, or you'll be the rotten egg. Here, it's used in a playful manner, urging someone to be quick. 2. You can't trust him with your secrets. He's a rotten egg. In this context, it's referring to someone untrustworthy. Though the exact origins of the term, rotten egg, are unclear, it has been used in English literature for centuries. The playful connotation, especially in racing or running, is more modern and probably arose from children's games. And there we have it. Now you know what rotten egg means in English and can confidently use it in your conversations. Remember, language is full of such colorful expressions, and understanding them enriches our communication. We hope this video has cracked open the mystery of the rotten egg for you. Until next time, happy learning!